I've never paid much attention to the pedals in my car before, but after seeing the Performance Model 3 with its aluminum pedals, well, here we are, had to get upset. These are the Topfit pedals from Amazon, and let's see how they work. Step 1 is to put these in some hot water inside of a Ziploc bag so you can soften up the rubber, make them a little easier to put on. And then step 2, we slide these over the pedal. And the tricky part is getting it all the way on, even in the top and the back. Well, I would say that one is definitely not easy to install, but you can get there if you work your way around it. And then we check to make sure we got it all the way around. You can see that I got it. Now next up, for the brake, this is a cover that comes off. Very similar to the cover we're going to put on. And pretty much the same size. So, very similar. Once again, if we check it out all the way around, we have it fully seated there. And here we are from the front. They look really good, and they have a nice rubber texture on the ridge, and I think they'll work really well. So if you like these videos, like and subscribe, and leave your video request in the comments.